How to remove songs from Instagram posts. Now, if you created a post and added a song and now you don't like it, or maybe you think it does not fit anymore, you can always remove it from your post afterwards. So I'll show you how. Firstly, we're gonna open up the Instagram and tap profile icon in the bottom right. After that, click on the three lines to access settings and scroll down until For Professionals section. So from here, select Creator Tools and Controls and make sure that you set your account type to Professional. If you scroll down and tap Switch Account Type, then you should see Personal and Business, meaning that you set Professional right now. Now, scroll up and find Branded Content section. On the top, in Status section, you should see Eligible. So if you click on that, you can use the Paid Partnership label. You don't need to necessarily use it, but we need to set it up for the Removing Songs feature. So let's go back to the Profile section and choose this photo with a song. Now you're gonna tap on the three dots icon on the top, and now on the bottom you should see Partnership label and ads. So click on that and enable Add Paid Partnership label. Once you enable it and tap Done, on the top instead of music you should see Paid Partnership and your song will be removed. So now, as you can see, it is removed and I only see Paid Partnership. So that is the only way for now how you can remove songs from your posted photos. That's it. Subscribe for more useful tips.